미션이 너무 포괄적이에요.
무슨 뜻인지 아직.
향의 비밀을 찾아라. 뭐 좋은 향, 나쁜 냄새,
사람 냄새.
사람의 향기.
넌 냄새 많이 나잖아. 아침에 지금 심하게.
아침부터 밤까지 계속 냄새 나는.
그러니까. 이쪽으로 할래? 저진지?
형 어제 왔는데 까먹었어?
나? 어제 너무 힘들어서 그래.
여기다 낼까?
전에 했어? 안 했지?
안 하고 그냥 계시겠지?
여기 있을 거야.
또 왔다. 향의 비밀을 찾아라. 향의 비밀을 찾아라. 여자친구 같은데.
안녕. 잘 있었어?
네, 잘 있었지?
말할 줄 몰라.
말했잖아.
있었어요? 형이 하는 거 아니에요?
We came in to kind of have a chat with Dave. I don't know if he's here.
Yeah, sure. Have a seat, please.
Oh, thank you. Ladies first.
형 먼저.
Ladies first.
Brother first.
Ladies first.
고마워요.
Hey.
Hi, Chef Day. Good to see you again.
Sorry to bug you again. And we got a new mission today.
Another mission. Our new mission is find smell of the Western Australia.
So we have no idea what they're talking about.
That's
I
right.
don't know. If you
I've got
know,
something in mind, I reckon I can sort you out there.
Really? So you think you might have an idea? Obviously,
I'll
it has
go
to
in
do
the
with.
kitchen, I've got something going in there
Okay.
now. I'll bring it out and see what you like.
Alright, man.
we've been thinking so much and then you have answered so quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, don't muck around. See you in a minute.
Alright.
Okay, Chef. 뭔가 재료나 맛에 대한 이런 돌아가는 게 되게 빠르신 것 같아요. 스파이스.
So one
Chef Dave, how are you doing? Oh, you're waiting for me. No, I mean, you're preparing some food for us. Kristen of Western Australia.
Can't come in here and spy on me.
Okay, see you
We'll
soon.
be out waiting. Thanks.
Hey guys, there you go.
Hey.
Chef,
I'll serve the chefy first. A beef carpaccio.
This is a raw beef.
it's beautiful.
Raw beef.
Can we give it a shot?
Yeah, get into it.
Right. 맛있겠다. And very fresh smell.
I'm drooling in my mouth. I'm like, my mouth is watering. My olfactory lobes are sensing. You know what I mean? It's getting spice.
Can you guess it?
It has caper, basil.
I don't know.
뭘까? 후추? Maybe pepper is
Yeah, that's it.
the ingredient.
It's mountainberry pepper.
Mountainberry pepper.
So it's grounded. You can get them whole, but you can get it grounded as well. But it's a very unique sort of spice flavour there that I like to introduce into it.
That is really unique. It tastes so much different than any of the. That's
Mountain
fantastic.
pepper.
Oh, do you
I've
want
got
to?
another dish going for you beautiful people, and I'll be back in 1 minute.
블랙 페퍼도 있고, 그린 페퍼도 있고, 핑크 페퍼도 있는데 마운틴 페퍼는 처음 들어봤어요. 향이 좀 더 매콤한 맛이 있고.
It's kind of rising up in the back of my throat, in the back of my nose. Oh man.
피 필요해. Great.
Yeah, really
너무
great.
맛있어요. 일단 향으로 맡았을 때는 잘 모르겠는데요. So what ingredients are inside?
Black chocolate, yeah, very expensive.
Wow.
The last one.
And do you like to cook with truffles a lot? Is that something you guys?
Well, yeah.
블랙 트러플. 송로버섯이요. 되게 비싼 식재료인데요. 3대 진미 중 하나죠.
Sorted you out big time from
Oh,
home.
chef.
A beef cheek, the actual cheek of the beef.
와, 왜 이렇게 연해?
Tender as that would be.
Oh, man.
Take me
I'm gonna-
cooking for you, aren't I?
I'm gonna take
Eh?
him. I'm gonna take him to Korea.
How you cook 립치?
Red wine and beef
Red
sauce.
wine.
You used wine to make obviously the beef cheek. Right, but I'm beginning to see a theme here with these dishes, you know, and that's we were kind of in search of 3 different things, 3 different ingredients, and I'm seeing mountain pepper, I'm seeing the truffles. The theme is also wine. Maybe that's it. Maybe we need to go visit some vineyards or some wine places.
Well, the closest one in between Margaret River and here is probably across the road.
Oh yeah?
I think you should check that out.
But we gotta get out of your hair for now. Thank you so much, there.
My pleasure.
It was an absolute pleasure.